Hello guys and welcome back to another daily dose of motorcycle stuff. Today we prepared another exciting compilation for you. But before we start, let's hear something about today's sponsor, Fishing Clash mobile game. Would you like to travel all around the world and explore natural beauties? With this game, you can! Realistic graphics and exotic fish collections will make you feel like you are actually there. You can fish from the shore or a boat, and the best thing is that you don't have to spend time for preparations. You are just one click from your favorite hobby. Trust me, you can't get bored with this game, because you can compete with other fishers in order to catch the biggest fish. Download this free game by clicking the link in the description or simply scan the QR code. If you are new to this game, use my gift code DirtBike Lunatic and follow 3 simple steps to get special rewards of 3-star rod, 1 mythical lure and bunch of power-ups that will help you catch bigger fish. Big thanks to Fishing Clash for sponsoring this episode, and guys, make sure to download this game and give it a try. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.
Warning. Oh my gosh. Wow.
I don't know how, but this biker managed to control this brutal speed wobble. This biker witnessed Transformers in real life. Check it out. This biker said that he lay splintered to the front and he was sitting at the lights for some time. Guy behind him started moving before the lights turned to green. Luckily, it was only minor bumps.
Yeah, please. Yeah, I'm good. It wasn't that bad. Huh?
I ride too. I watched the whole thing.
Oh yeah. No, I'm good. It wasn't that bad.
Anything happen to your bike?
Probably over there. But yeah, I just need if you could help me.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
She's up.
Yeah.
Sorry, bring in this. Oh yeah, you're leaking.
Am I?
Bottom there.
Probably should have started.
Yeah.
I think we should maybe push it in that lot or something.
Yeah.
There's a church parking lot over there. Sorry, dude.
It's all good.
Sorry, man.
No, I'm.
I don't even know how to I just slip. And then
Yeah, man. It's all. I'm good. I'm good. It's all good.
That's the most important.
Yeah. No, I'm good. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we're all good. So that's the most important thing. It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, about you.
So
Really thick.
you want to like just exchange the
Yeah.
You want to take down my name and number because I watched the whole thing, so I know if he happens to like.
I'm probably not going to get the cops involved. No big.
All right, yeah. Well.
Thank you, sir. Just wanted to make sure you were safe.
Oh, hey, that's going on YouTube.
Hey, we got some caught back here, and I don't know if he's coming after me or what, but oh man, I don't want to get no chase down here. That's the last thing I wanted. I was just chatting with you guys. I don't know if he's after me or not, but I wasn't going to wait. That Pelican up there was a helicopter for a second. Oh, that's a cop. Is that a cop right there? He's still back there.
Cruising, going about 30-40 right here, going into the turn, felt good, and then I started feeling the front end wiggle and wash out like that and started losing traction. And I'm trying to recommit, and I just felt wiggling and wiggling, it's losing. So at this point I was like, all right, I could either try to overcorrect on the white line, which is gonna make me slide out, my bike might bounce back and hit my buddy behind me, or I could try to find an exit within this brush, and that's kind of the way I went. Somehow, some way, stayed up, managed to get through, threw up the thumbs up, and then we went and assessed the situation after. And I'm no beginner rider, but I'm not the most veteran rider either. But that just goes to show like how quickly things can change, and hopefully you guys learn something from this.
This biker said that he got into accident because he was being impatient. Luckily, nobody got injured, and he continued with his ride.
Just, okay. We're stuck.
Okay. Thank you. Don't seem to have much damage, other than I'm covered in coffee. Notice that didn't stop.
And that's it for this episode. Guys, make sure to download Fishing Clash and give it a try. And also don't forget to like this video and follow DirtBike Lunatic. Until the next episode, ride safe.